Birds that cannot fly. Hello students. Today we will learn about birds that cannot fly. Most birds have wings and can fly high in the sky. However, some birds are flightless, which means they cannot fly. Their wings are small and mainly help them balance while walking or running. Let's learn about some of these special birds. First, we have the kiwi, which is the national bird of New Zealand. It is a small bird with a long beak and a very strong sense of smell. Unlike most birds, the kiwi searches for food on the ground. Next is the ostrich, which is the largest and heaviest bird in the world. It cannot fly, but it can run very fast to escape from danger. Another flightless bird is the emu, which is found in Australia. It is the second largest bird in the world and has strong legs that help it run quickly. Then we have the rhea, a large flightless bird found in South America. It looks similar to the ostrich, but is S. The kakapo is another interesting bird. It is a flightless parrot from New Zealand and is also one of the most endangered birds in the world. The penguin is a well-known flightless bird that lives in Antarctica. Penguins cannot fly, but they are excellent swimmers and use their wings like flippers in water. Finally, there is the dodo, a flightless bird that once lived on an island called Mauritius. Sadly, the dodo is now extinct. These birds remind us how diverse and fascinating nature is. Protecting wildlife helps ensure these unique creatures continue to survive on our planet.